What's the meaning of cover letter? Cover letter. Cover letter.
Cover letter. Cover letter. A cover letter is a document that accompanies a job applicant's resume. It provides an introduction to the applicant and explains why they are applying for the position. The cover letter should highlight the applicant's skills, experience, and accomplishments that make them a strong candidate for the job. It also allows the applicant to personalize their application and demonstrate their interest in the company. Overall, a well-written cover letter can help an applicant stand out in a competitive job market and increase their chances of getting hired.